Hey guys, I just got a package in the mail. Let's open it up. Mahoney's Finishes walnut oil. Heat treated and filtered walnut oil. The owners of Creative Development sent me that sample and I'm very appreciative. This is what they wrote to me. We wanted to get in touch and tell you that we respect what you do, and because you share so much awesome stuff with your channel, we wanted to share something with you. The product is walnut oil from Mahoney's Finishes. Very nice of you, thank you very much. We'll leave a link so you guys can test it out, but I'm gonna test it out though in this project. So it came at a perfect time because I'm gonna turn a statue and it's in walnut. So perfect timing. So I've been having lots of fun with the new lathe, and this is my second project ever, and it's well, I'm using walnut, right? And so for the first project, you can check that out here on my channel. It was a steampunked R2D2, right? So you can see that in here on my channel. But so here I'm using the walnut, and what I want to create, I'm rounding it off, by the way, first, and that took some work. As you can see, a lot of little chips everywhere, shavings. But I like the walnut. I've always liked the rich, deep color of the walnut, you know. So anyways, what I'm trying to do here is I want to do like an elegant, sort of like an elegant lady with a hat and like a sculpture, if you would. And so I want it to be like sort of a vintage, elegant lady, like 1930s feel, something to that effect. So I'm working to that end. And here I'm rounding off the you know, really the first few times I'm working with this, but I love rounding the wood like that. It really is a lot of fun. I mean, it's actually a bit addicting, just the possibilities. But essentially what I want to do, just to let you know, is get to the point where I can make items and put them up on my store for sale, for people. So you can see the bottom torso as well as the chest area, and now I'm working on the head of the lady, and I'm just rounding it off. You can see that they're the shape. She's got hips, right? And now I'm going to work on the hat. So I want her to have like an old-fashioned, those wide-brimmed hats. And this is kind of, I was talking to a couple of people, and they were saying, well, this is kind of like a tiny hat that you're working on there for a first go with the lathe. And yeah, it's kind of hard getting into the little spots, but check out this oil. This stuff really made the wood pop. Like, I was digging it right away. You could see that color popping. See the difference between the two? The untreated and treated? Really cool. So we'll part it here. Alright, so I'm pretty happy how the piece turned out. Along with the piece, I did the hat that you saw opposite. And this is the hat. I'm not too keen with it. It kind of looks like a English bobby or whatnot. So I'm not too keen. So I went and turned another hat from the same piece of walnut. Right? And I just want to round the top of it to make it look more like a lady's hat. And I used a Forstner bit to get in there. And that'll sit on her head. Like so. So I'm gonna clean that up. So yeah, I really dig Mahoney's finishes. It really darkened it up. I haven't used it on other woods, so I don't know, but the walnut oil on the walnut, pretty nice. So I'll leave a link to the nice people that sent this to me, so you can check it out yourselves.